Hello, you caught me eating my breakfast. What am I eating? Oh, Lucky Charms. How old am I? Yeah. I'm 35. And you know what? They're still delicious at 35. That doesn't change when you get older. So yes, I eat Lucky Charms for breakfast. I've started this a few months ago, and I'm a better person because of it. Lucky Charms is delicious, can be eaten at all ages, and I'm not at all sponsored. So, let's get on with the video. Okay, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Jen. I do clothing unboxing videos from well-known Stitch Fix to not very well-known clothing styling boxes. I love to try them all and give my opinions. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it. Today we're doing everyone's favorite, including my own, Stitch Fix. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I'm going to blow through this quickly because there's about a million videos on YouTube about Stitch Fix that'll give you all the information you need, but they send you 5 clothing items based on a styling profile. You keep what you like, send back what you don't like. You have 3 days to do that. If you keep everything, you get 20% off, and there's a $20 styling fee that gets credited to whatever you buy. Also, I am wearing earrings from the giveaway that Kelly Schaffner did that I won, which was so exciting. I literally don't win anything. My husband and I joke that we are the luckiest people. We've been to raffles where it's like 90% of the people win the raffle, and we're never in the percentage that actually wins. So I was super shocked, super excited. Kelly, thank you so much for the box. I love it. Congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. I think you're probably up to like 1,300 now. But congratulations, and thank you for the amazing box. I'm loving all the jewelry. I mean, I've moved into the purse, and it's a really great box. I'll put a card in for the video where she describes what's in the giveaway box so that you guys can see what I got. But let's get on with Stitch Fix. Okay, let's cut this on open. Now, I noticed in my last Stitch Fix checkout that they added a question about whether you wanted to keep the same stylist or not. So I had been debating switching stylists for one reason, and it was literally, I just struggled with the fact that I had zero indication in the styling note that she was ever actually looking at my Pinterest or my videos, or even my past purchases, or anything. There's nothing to specify that she didn't just choose whatever the algorithm had picked. And she was doing a good job. I liked a lot of my boxes, but I watched so many of these videos, and there's such personalization of, you know, pair this with this thing you bought 3 fixes ago, or hey, I found this on your Pinterest and this is similar, and so on and so forth. So I decided, why not? Why not try a different stylist? This might go poorly, or this might go amazingly, but I went for it. So I felt really guilty about it. Like, how's my stylist gonna feel? Is this gonna hurt her feelings? I'm paying a decent amount for Stitch Fix, so I might as well do everything I can to get the best fix possible. And if that means trying a new stylist, then I can do that. And I'm sure I can request my old stylist again if that doesn't work out. So okay, let's get into this. I am excited to see, because it should be a new stylist, so we shall see on that. You get a mailer with it, you get a style card to show you how to style each piece, plus a note from your stylist, and then a pricing sheet. I will go over those at the end because I just want to dive into this. Okay, there, my friends, is the bundle. There's that side. And there's the other side there. So I see some denim, some flowers, some plaid. I love plaid. Okay, so far I'm liking a lot what I see. It looks very fall, but I'm ready for the fall stuff. So this is exciting. Okay, first up, polka dots. I love polka dots. So we have this blouse. It is a button-down blouse with white polka dots on it. It is sheer, so obviously you are supposed to wear something underneath it because it is super sheer. But I really like it. I think this is a great work blouse, so great. Next, we have this cardigan, it looks like. Yep. So we've got a drape front cardigan here, and it is a maroon. I think they sent me a gray one last time, and I really liked it, but I just didn't need it. But I don't have any maroon cardigans, so, and it has got black all throughout it, so really great. I like this. Next, we have this flannel, tie front plaid flannel shirt. Oh, this flannel feels so good. Okay, my camera totally just died, so I need to go through these last 3 pieces in the box again. So first off, we have this flannel plaid, which I do love a flannel plaid. It's got a tie front here. It is super soft. I cannot wait to be wearing flannels again because they're just super comfortable. I love this. I love a simple kind of black and gray or black and white type pattern like this. So really like this. And then we have a 3/4 length sleeve brushed nickel dress. I can identify it by the feel now. I don't have any 3/4 sleeve type dresses, so I think that is really excited to have something like that as we are heading into fall. It is navy with some floral print on it. I'm kind of so-so on the floral. I just recently turned that option back on in Stitch Fix, and I'm still not sure if I want to keep it on. I'm not looking to have a ton of florals in my wardrobe, but this is such a cute, comfy dress. I mean, it looks comfy that I may end up keeping it. I don't know. I haven't tried it on yet. Okay, and then we have these dress pants that are from Liverpool. They are a gray dress pant. They are petite, which is awesome, and they are a skinny leg, which is what I have been looking for. So the only downside is I saw the brand is Liverpool, which most people would get excited over, but I know Liverpool is expensive. So we shall see. But I can't wait to try these on. All right, let's get to it. Okay, first up we have the Liverpool dress pants and the polka dot top. I didn't bother to put a cami on underneath, so hopefully it's not too see-through. So the top, I'll say, it just seems a little bit big on me. So it's just a little baggy here. It's okay. Though I love the polka dots, there's just nothing about it that really gets me excited, and the sleeves seem a little bit long, but I'm sure I can roll them up. Yeah, they do have a button here for rolling the sleeves up. In fact, let me just do that here real quick while I talk about the pants. So the pants fit really great. They are cute. They are perfect length. They go just down. They stop right at basically the top of my foot, which is great. They are soft. So the matter of these would be, like, if they were 40 bucks, I would buy them, no problem. But I know they're probably going to be at least double that. So I'm not sure if I love them enough to warrant paying probably what's going to be around 80 bucks for these pants. I got a sleeve up. Okay, there we go. So the top's okay. Love the dress pants. I'm going to keep these pants on and try the flannel shirt top now. Okay, so next we have this flannel top. While the sleeve is way too long, I do have it rolled up over here. Oh man, and this shirt is so soft. It is, I like the tie front, but it appears that it's just a regular, button down shirt. It's just one that they chose to tie when they sent me. And I did peek at the styling card and it was not tied there. It is a bit long in back, but I think that would look cute with some of my skinny jeans or leggings or something like that. So this is a definite contender to keep. I know it's a little bit bigger, but I think flannels are supposed to be a little bit looser, a little bit more oversized anyways. So I like it. Let's try on the dress and cardigan next. Okay, last up we have the cardigan and the dress. The cardigan is cute. I like it. I could use, I want more cardigans this fall and winter, just because I think that they are nice to throw over all the different tops that I've gotten. So I really like it. The sleeves aren't too long. It's a cute cardigan. I like it. Okay. The dress. So, I love it. I just really like it. It's a simple dress. It's comfortable. I love the 3/4 sleeves. I love a cinched waist dress like this. It's a good, modest length. This is what it looks in the back. I really like it. So I am very happy with this dress, and if it's not too expensive, I probably will be keeping it. So speaking of expensive things, let's go over the prices. So, funny story, I filmed the first part of this video a few weeks ago and went to edit it yesterday and realized I was missing the recap. And I'm not quite sure what happened, whether I didn't hit record, which I feel like it's very possible I could have just forgotten to hit record, but I'm not sure what it was, but it's not there. So I am refilming the recap a couple weeks later because that's how long it's been, and hopefully I remember everything. The good news is I do keep the price sheet and the style cards all the time, and so I still have that with me. I just don't have all the clothes I sent back, so I can't hold it up as I talk about it. But I think my memory's refreshed, especially since I edited the video yesterday. So let's get to it. Okay, so first off, style card. My stylist this time is Rachel. She says, "Hey Jennifer, happy fix day. I looked over your profile and I'm delighted to style you for this fix. Wanted to offer you and your wardrobe a great collection of style and versatility. I hope you enjoy all items and clothes. Knowing you are looking to find straight leg dress pants, I wanted to send you the Liverpool pant. Pair the gray pant with the Sophie Rue button-down blouse, or with the one-pocket plaid top by Pink for a more casual style. Wanting to include a dress in this fun fix. I can't wait for you to adore the French gray brush knit dress." I called it nickel earlier, I noticed. I'm not sure why, but I meant to say brush knit. "I made sure to find a dress that had 3/4 long sleeves and could be worn dressed up or casual. The last item inside is a fantastic fall layer. What do you think of the Cotton Emporium waterfall cardigan? All the best, Rachel." Okay, so thank you, Rachel. And then the prices. This is fix number 10 for me. Okay, the first item is the French gray dress, which is the Murphy brush knit dress, and it is $48. Not a bad price for a Stitch Fix dress. I was planning on keeping the dress, and I tried it on several times, and I didn't end up keeping it. Now, I love the 3/4 sleeves. I love brush knit. I think I just wasn't super in love with the color and pattern. And even the waist, I felt like just the cinched waist for some reason on that particular dress just looked a little strange. So I just didn't love it enough, and I knew there'll be other opportunities for beautiful 3/4 sleeve length dresses. So I sent that back. The second item is the Sophie Rue Marcel button-down blouse, $44. I just felt I didn't love the sheerness of it. The sleeves were a little long. Just have an overall kind of about it. The Cotton Emporium McKenna waterfall cardigan is $38. I did keep that. I've worn it. I like it. The Pink Femi one pocket plaid top is $46. I did not keep that. For some reason, I love these button-down shirts, and then I get them on me and I feel like they don't look that great, or they don't look like I pictured they would look. I don't know, but I did send that back. And then the last is the Liverpool Renee Heather tweed pant, and that is $88. I did consider that because I do need some good dress pants, and those were good quality. But overall, I didn't end up loving the fit of it. It felt a little bit baggy in the thigh area, and I wanted it to be kind of slimmer throughout. So I didn't end up keeping that. Okay, so the subtotal for the box is $264. The buy all discount, you take off $66, and that makes the total box $198. Had a lot of fun with this box, and I actually have another one sitting right in front of me that I am about to film. So yay Stitch Fix, and yay Style Pass, because I get so many boxes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do so now. I would greatly appreciate it. And we will hopefully see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.